Physical Optics Unit 13 Physics Class 11. Question 1. If the wavelength of electromagnetic waves is about the diameter of a cricket ball, what type of radiation is its answer? Radio waves. Question 2. What is the phenomenon where light bends around opticals? Answer: diffractions. Question 3. What is the principle behind the interference of light? Answer: superposition principle. Question 4. Which type of wave exhibits polarization? Answer: electromagnetic waves. Question 5. What happens in constructive interference? Answer: light waves amplify each other. Question 6. Which experiment demonstrated the wave nature of light? Answer: Young double slit experiments. Question 7. In then flame interference colors are observed due to? Answer: interference of light. Question 8. The bending of light at the boundary between two mediums is called? Answer: refractions. Question 9. What causes the formations of a rainbow? Answer: dispersion of light. Question 10. A wavefront is defined as? Answer: surface joining points of equal phase. Question 11. What is the wavelength range of visible light? Answer: 400 minus 700 nanometer. Question 12. The polarizations of light proves that light is? Answer: transversal in nature. Question 13. In diffractions, the size of the obstacle is compressible to? Answer: the wavelength of the wave. Question 14. The fringe width in Young's double slit experiment depends on? Answer: wavelength. Question 15. A polarizer is used to? Answer: filter apolarized light into polarized light. Question 16. Which of these phenomena is not explained by the wave nature of light? Answer: photoelectric effects. Question 17. The colors of then flame interference depends on? The answer: thickness of the flame. Question 18. What is the phase difference in destructive interference? Answer: 180 degree. Question 19. The diffraction pattern consists of? Answer: alternating bright and dark bands. Question 20. Huygens principle is used to explain? Answer: reflections and refraction. Question 21. Brewster angles is associated with? Answer: polarization. Question 22. The angular width of central maximum in a single diffraction is inverse proportional to? Answer: the slit width. Question 23. Which device is used to measure light interference? Answer: interferometer. Question 24. What is the shape of a wavefront in a point source? Answer: sparkle. Question 25. Which law governs the beheading of light in refractions? Answer: Snell's law. Question 26. Light is scattered in the atmosphere due to? Answer: religious scattering. Question 27. What is the minimum condition for contrastive interference in then flame? Answer: path difference equal to n lambda. Question 28. Diffraction is most pronounced with the wavelength of light is? Answer: comparable to the slit width. Question 29. What is the main cause of light dispersion? Answer: refraction. Question 30. The Michelson interferometer is used to measure the answer wavelength of light.